miles an hour? How many miles are you going to go in an hour?
60, so not...
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Right, because I asked you this question before and
No.
you didn't know.
7.3 miles.
Shush! What are you looking forward to seeing at the NEC?
Kawasaki, was it H2R?
H2R.
Oh, there we go.
You're getting on a bike, a geared bike for the first time.
Yeah, but only for 20 minutes, so it's not
It's
bad.
better than no minutes. Welcome to the M25,
Whoa.
the world's biggest car park. Right, here we are at Toppington, almost there. Give a little wave, and this is the car we're driving in, and it's a Ford Fiesta. That's all we have to say about that, with my turkey feast sandwich.
That is
miles.